Hello grade 12. We'll do a quick revision about vectors and the geometry of space, which is revision from grade 11. The first part هو revision from grade 11 يلي هو اسمه dot product, okay, أو scalar product أو dot product, the same meaning. In this section we'll learn about various concepts related to the dot product and its applications. We said that we have a vector A, A1, A2, A3 and vector B, B1, B2, B3, the components of the vector. طبعا A1, A2, A3, B1, B3 any numbers, real numbers. It's given by A dot B equal A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3 يعني هون A3, B3 يعني multiplied A3 times B3. If theta is the angle between the vectors A and B, then A dot B equal the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times cosine theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. If we asked you how to get the angle between two vectors, just you do A dot B over magnitude A dot or times magnitude of B. The two vectors A and B are orthogonal if and only if يعني equivalent that إنه A dot B equal ل 0. يعني if you find A dot B equal ل 0 and you so the two vectors should be orthogonal. If the two vectors are orthogonal, so it must be A dot B equal ل 0. We said that if and only if يعني معناتها equivalent. This gives that and that gives this, the inverse is correct. The cross product, this section we'll learn about cross product of the vectors, how to get them and their applications. A cross B, we said that if the vector A is A1, A2, A3 and vector B, B1, B2, B3, to find the cross product بنحط I, J, K, نحط A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. First we cross this column and this row, this column and this row, وبنعمل A2 B3 minus A3 B2 يعني كأنك cross multiply. Okay, بنحط I minus we open bracket and then we cross IJK with J, the column of J, and then we do A1 B3 minus A3 B1 J plus we open bracket and we cross IJK with the column of K and we write A1 B2 minus A2 B1 as it's written here. هيك بنعمل cross product. هلا the vector A cross B وطبعا cross product بيطلع معنا vector. Okay, scalar product أو dot product بيطلع number مثل ما شفنا, and here بيطلع هو vector A cross B is a vector. هيدا الفيكتور we said that إنه ال A cross B new vector بيطلع orthogonal to both A and B, and we said that يعني مثلا إذا هيدا A وهيدا B, A cross B بيطلع orthogonal to A and B, and to determine the direction use the right hand rule. Okay, إذا أنت عملت A cross B يعني أنت رحت من ال A على ال B يعني anti clockwise فبيطلع upward. anti clockwise إذا أنت رايح anti clockwise بيطلع الفيكتور direction upward. إذا أنت رايح clockwise بيطلع direction downward. احفظوها هيك أو using the right hand rule. Okay, the right hand rule which is like that. If theta is the angle between A and B such that theta between 0 and pi يعني 0 and 180 he means here, then A cross B, the magnitude of A cross B is equal to magnitude A times magnitude B times sine theta عكس ال A dot B اللي هي A times B magnitude times cosine theta. هون بتصير A times B magnitude times sine theta. Okay, and two non-zero vectors A and B are parallel if and only if A cross B equal ل 0. هون عم نقول non-zero vectors ليه؟ لأنه إذا أنت حطيت هون 0 cross B بيطلع 0. okay, ما فينا نقول إنه 0 vector يلي هو بيطلع point مع B هن parallel. 0 vector مش parallel. okay, طيب المهم two non-zero vectors A and B are parallel if and only if A cross B equal to 0. يعني إذا A cross B equal ل 0 بيطلع A and B are parallel. Okay, the length of the cross product A cross B, يعني the magnitude of A cross B is equal to the area of the parallelogram determined by A and B. وهيدا أخذناها وعملنا عليها applications. Okay, the property A dot B cross C that occurs in property 5 أو اللي شفناها من قبل is called the scalar triple product of the vectors A, B and C. أخذناها من قبل إنه A dot B cross C is called the scalar triple product of the vectors A, B and C. How to get A dot B cross C؟ بنحطهم like this way. مثلا A dot B cross C بنحط A1 A2 A3 and we said that instead of I, J, K أنا بحط A1 A2 A3 اللي هو ال vector of this وال B cross C I do them in that way. How to calculate? You have two ways to calculate. Okay. فينا نعمل B cross C alone لحالها B cross C alone بعدين بيطلع معنا vector نعمل A dot this vector أو we may write it in this diagram like that بنحط A1 A2 A3 بنحط الفector B والvector C بعدين بنحط نعمل cross ل A1 A2 A3 cross of this B2 C3 minus B3 C2 multiplied by هلا من قبل كنا نعمل multiplied by I هلا هون بنعمل multiplied by A1 like that بعدين we cross نحط minus أكيد we cross the first row مع ال row of A2 أو row of J okay بنحط B1 C3 minus B3 C1 close bracket بدل ما نحط J بنحط A2 يعني ال A1 وال A2 وال A3 هن عبارة عن IJK بس بدل ما نحط IJK اللي هن الفاكتورز كنا ناخدهم A1 A2 A3 بنحطهم instead of IJK اللي هن أصلا numbers وبعدين we multiply and we calculate يعني هي العملية calculation here هلا A dot B cross C هي ال volume of the cross product volume of the parallel pipe formed by A, B and C. The volume of the parallel pipe formed by A, B and C. The magnitude of it, of the absolute value. So the volume of the parallel pipe is equal to the absolute value of A dot B cross C. ليش هون absolute؟ لأنه A dot B cross C بيطلع number. B cross C هو vector و A هو vector. Vector dot vector بيطلع number. Okay? يعني dot product. نعمل له absolute value يعني كيف؟ إذا طلع negative okay نعمل له absolute value لأنه هو volume it must be positive. Okay? So now absolute value to get a positive number as volume. يعني ونحط unit cube آخر شيء أكيد. هلا volume of the tetrahedron if he asked you about the volume of the tetrahedron formed by A, B and C نحن عندنا property بتقول إنه ال volume of the tetrahedron is equal to the volume of parallel pipe over 6 يعني بنعمل this one over 6. Okay? هذا كان كل شيء. Solve the sheets that you took before about cross product وإن شاء الله during this week بعمل لكم هيك sheet also بعت لكم إياها على الواتساب أو على الابليكيشن and try to do a video solving it نعمل هيك quick review together about cross product. That's everything. Thank you.